This is a quick video to show how I use the Digole online design tool to create graphical display data. The tool has lots of functions to create and emulate display content, but I'll just be using it to convert images for display. This is what the tool looks like in a browser window. The emulation area is on the left and the design area is on the right. In the design area, I first want to select which kind of display I'm going to be using. So I just click on this box to get a drop-down list of possible displays. So I will select the 2.6-inch 240 by 320 color LCD. Note that it pops up an appropriately sized emulation screen on the left. There's also a command selection drop-down list on the right. These are commands you could send to a real display to draw primitives and things like that. What I want to do is display a whole image that fills the screen. And I'll have to scroll down to find that command. There it is, display color image. When I select this command, it pops up more boxes I can use to fill in details about the command. For example, I can select the color depth of the image. I'm going to select 262K color depth. This is 64 shades of red, 64 shades of green, and 64 shades of blue, or 6 bits per RGB color. It actually uses 8 bits per color, but the top 2 bits are just 0. So it's simple at the expense of wasting some data. Now I want to select the image file that I'm going to convert. So I'll just click on this Choose File box, and it will pop up a file selector window. I have a bunch of stuff in this window, but I'll just select the Pico picture. And it will actually load that as a design element on the right. This image has already been edited to be exactly 240 by 320. We can emulate this design over on the left by selecting Show Design. And it pops up exactly what we will see on the screen. Now I want the data that I can send to the display that will cause this image to appear. I get that by hitting this Save C Code button down here. Note we can see some of the data down here. 3 63s in a row signifies maximum RGB values, which is white, and that corresponds to the first part of the image. Clicking the Save C Code button generates a file with all the data needed to display the image in my Download File folder. I stored these in a .h file as an array of constant unsigned char. For some reason the colors didn't line up. Red was green, etc. So I had to add an extra red and green value at the beginning of the file. It's a pretty inefficient image format, but at least it's easy to deal with. And we'll close out this video by showing what this image looks like on a real screen.